In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to share your files here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So when you're working on a spreadsheet using your Sheets app and you want to quickly share it to someone else, here's the quickest way to do it. So I have this example. To quickly share this, what I'm going to do is to actually just copy the link to this file. To copy the link, I'm going to go to the ellipsis at the top right corner. Then I'm going to go to Share and Export and tap on Copy Link. But before we do that, we want to make sure that this file has the correct general access, which is anyone with a link. Because even if we copy that link and share it with someone, they actually don't have access to it unless we allow it. So before we copy the link, we're going to go to Manage Access first. And here we have it. So the general access right now is restricted for this file. If we're going to change it, just tap on Change right here. Then tap on the arrow pointing to the right. And now we're going to tap on anyone with a link. Permission updated, and here we have it. So for this one, we can actually change the access to either just view it, comment on it, or edit it. So I just want them to see this, so I'm going to leave it at viewer. And instead of going back to copy that link, we can just copy it right here with this icon. Just tap on it. And here we have it. So that's your link icon or copy link icon. You've already copied it. It's already on your clipboard. All you have to do now is to paste it to whichever messaging app you use, or maybe an email attachment. Once they've received that and tapped on that link, they can now open and see this file right here. And of course, that's going to be only in view mode. And there you have it. That's the easiest way for you to share your files here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you're interested in learning more on how to use the Sheets app, I do have a full playlist to this that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out as well. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.